What you get in the box of the OGERY, as we open up and show you how nicely they are packed. Pulling out the unit, you have the instruction guide laid on top and the unit. The deflate, inflate, the connection to the unit and to the attachments with the light, the on and off switch, the mode switch, and the negative switch. This is the light, the on and off, the negative and positive, and the mode switch. On the back of the unit is the tray area that has a 12 volt and the attachments. The handle area, 4 rubber feet, as we open up the tray area to remove the 12 volt adapter, and the attachments all on a cord. Picking an attachment to blow up a raft, a ball, simply place on and screw. Remove the hoses. We could place either on or the opposite side. It's the incorrect way as we've shown blowing up the raft. We're going to inflate by screwing the part, turning the unit on. It's a long press. The OGERY could pump up paddleboard seats, bags, and more. We're going to demonstrate, show you how this pumps up a paddleboard at the beach. OGERY paddleboard pump. 3 2500 milliamp batteries. Everything that you need to blow up a raft, a tent, a SUP, a stand-up paddleboard. Up to 2. We're going to inflate and deflate the unit. It's got 4 preset modes. It has 12 psi and higher than that, 2 types of speeds, a low pressure, high pressure. Let's show you what this is about. We're going to set up, roll out the handle, grip area, and the back of the door. We have 12 volts and all the cables you need, the plugs to plug in for your paddleboard. We're using the battery operated. We're not using 12 volts. And we can simply close up by placing back on the cover and picking the pieces we need to correctly blow up our paddleboard. We open up our area. We place on the one that fits. We take out the hoses by simply moving around. And we screw on the attachment. On the unit, black on black, deflate, inflate, place on. We have a light, we have an on switch, a negative, a positive, and a mode. Long press to turn the unit on, and simply hit the mode. PSI, 0.5, 8.0, 12.0. Short press on the on and off, and we're pumping. Allow the unit to pump. We're in the second stage of the unit, high pressure, polishing off the SUP, stand-up paddleboard. When all completed, just pull off and ready for the next pump and deflation by unscrewing and screwing in to the deflate. Lock down and deflate by the on and off switch, a short press, and the air blows out. 5 minutes for inflating up to 12 psi, a little longer for 15 and higher psi, and deflate takes no time at all. Once it starts to deflate, you can simply roll up your paddle board and help support the deflation quickly. The unit is quiet and has a 2-stage pump. For added help, it puts on the high pressure to complete. For added help, it completes with the high pressure for the last few seconds. You can force stop it or let it continue to suck out. Hit the on button once, short press, and hit it on for long press to shut the unit off. It is visible in the daytime in a soft white lettering. When all completed, simply take everything off, unscrew, take the connections off, and in the back of the unit, we could store all the parts once again and close up. It is pretty tight to put everything in. You need to remove the cable, get it out of the way. Place in all your pieces, and then the cable. The OGERY with the handle on the bottom with the logo facing upside down for pumping up to 2 rafts with 4 modes, 3 tied together 2500 milliamp batteries. This is your pump inflator to blow up balls, rafts, mattresses, suck out the air of a pillow mattress that you put stuff in to take and put into storage, and more. You could blow up a mattress, deflate the mattress, and paddle boards. Up to 2 paddle boards inflate and deflate. All the hoses are inside. 12-volt adapter, fuse supplied inside the 12-volt socket. This is your OGERY inflatable pump for your subs. Thank you for viewing. We're going to show you the overlay, the window of the unit in low light. The on button, your first button is the light. As you see, you have a white light, a red light, an SOS light, and off. This is the white light, the red light, and then the SOS light.